How to fix Google Chrome shortcuts not showing. Hey everybody, if your Chrome shortcuts are not showing, we cannot quickly access our favorite sites from the new tab page. So let's just fix it. So first of all, we can open up Chrome, and if you're already in a tab, we can open up a new tab by clicking on this plus option and accessing a new tab on our screen. Now what we need to do is we need to make sure the shortcuts section is visible. So for that, we may hover over to this option called Customize Chrome and look out for this option called Shortcuts and enable this option right here. If this option is disabled, the shortcut will not show. So make sure to enable this option right here. And now what we need to do is from this piece right here, we need to go ahead and add a shortcut. So we should be finding an option called Shortcut, Add Shortcut. We may click on it if you want to add a shortcut. For example, let's say video. Then you can add up a shortcut and paste in a URL. For example, I would like to add in a YouTube shortcut, let's say. So we can just go over and select the URL, copy it, and paste it. Just go over and paste it, hit done, and we should be finding the shortcut being available in this section right below the search bar of the Google. And that's it. We may also clear out the browse and cache sometimes. So go to settings, click on settings for that. And once we are headed to our settings, go to privacy and security. And within there, look out for site settings or browsing data and clear out the browse, especially the cookies and other site data, and click on delete data. And once this is done, we can restart our Chrome and that's it. Also, if there is any kind of extensions available, usually we may head over to extensions. For that, look out for extensions here. And if there is any kind of unnecessary extensions, we may remove it because that may be also causing the issue for you. And that's it. That is it. Now Chrome shortcut should now show up on your new tab page. So we hope this information was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.